Hello everyone. In this video we will see how to use a Python program in MATLAB. So first we will create a simple Python program. So let us first go to the directory where we are using MATLAB. So let us first go to that directory. Okay, now here we can create a small program of Python. Let us name it as test.py. So in this we will write a simple basic Python program for addition of two numbers. Let us have two numbers as a and b, 15 and 10, and c as the sum of a and b. So this is the basic Python program. We can test this program first by using the Python command. We can import that program in Python. Now we can check the contents of a and b here, and this sum which is stored in C. So this program is working fine in Python. Now we want to use the same program in MATLAB. So how to do that? First we have to select the Python version. For that we can use the command pyversion with the address of the directory where we have installed Python in our PC. So for me it is in user bin and then the command name. So like this we can interface Python to MATLAB. So if we will run pyversion, then it will show the version that has been interlinked along with some other properties. So here the version of the Python is 3.8 and it is the address with these libraries, and its address is the home user. So now we have to call the program test.py. So that can be directly called using the py command and then the name of the file and then name of variable that we want to access. So here we can see that a is 15. So a has been called from the Python to the MATLAB. Likewise we can call other variables also. So here we can see that the sum has been stored in C, which is available now in MATLAB. Similarly we can use the functions of Python in MATLAB using this py command with the name of the library. Like if we want to use the square root, that is available in math library, and then the name of the function. So this is the syntax that we can use for calling a Python function in MATLAB. So likewise we can use other functions. In the similar fashion we can use a user defined function of Python in MATLAB. So let us first edit our test file. Let us create another test file with the name test2.py. We can edit this test file and define a user defined function here. Let us name it as sumpro with two arguments a and b, whose sum and product we want to calculate. So sum will be a plus b and product will be a multiplied by b, and then we can return these sum and products. Let us save it. Now we can use this user defined function in MATLAB as well. So for that the syntax is same. First the py command, then the name of the file, and then name of the function with the arguments values. Let us give the same values 15 and 10. So the sum is 25 and the product is 150. That has been calculated using a Python program. So in this way we can use more complicated Python programs in MATLAB. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel.